Good morning, day 10.
Morning.
We are just packing up and we got here a little later to camp last night. There wasn't a lot of sun, so none of our clothes dried. And let me tell you, it got cold overnight, so we had cold, wet clothes to put on this morning, which is just the worst thing. Ugh. We are now in the southern Blue Hills segment. Although there were no segment signs at the trailhead. And there weren't for the northern Blue Hills segment either. Kind of weird. But we know we're there because it got hooks. And here's a mud puddle coming up.
Stretching out across the water, towers pushing taller. I knew my reality was clearly defined.
So this southern Blue Hills segment is pretty tough, but we want to give a shout out to Mark for mowing this recently, which really helps. It could be a lot worse. So thanks, Mark. And thanks to all the volunteers who put in time on this trail. So this means it turns this way? Oh, this way right here.
Let me get you walking.
Road walking. So we are just walking into town. We got to the hotel in Weyerhaeuser, and town is a mile away. So we are walking into town now. We're probably gonna need another shower after we get back.
It's hot.
It's hot out. I
But
think
I
that,
think there's our first destination,
Oh,
Porky's
yeah.
Bar
and pizza.
and pizza.
We want the pizza. And we think there's a gas station for resupply. So keep it posted.